Hello and welcome to another episode of Making Diablo clone in Lisp. So today we're working again on the sound design, but my hope is that probably I would be finishing that and, well, doing a new minor release with this sound system revamped. So again, let me just pause the music then. And yeah, so we finished last time with the zombie and everything was working fine. But I had this idea that I would assign to a zombie like a separate weapon class, which would be kind of close or something, and it would sound differently from like the usual like bare fist attack. So I found some, well, like sounds on this new site, freesound.org. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. So I found those sounds and I think I'm ready to do this. But the first thing I want to make is to like refresh in memory how this whole mechanic works. So let me just start doing that. Let me just have a look. So every time we have an impact, we do this. Yeah, 49. So we add impact sound component on entity being attacked. So my like intention here is to like understand what the duration of that sound should be. Yes, so we emit it like instantly when there is the attack, right? So I would say the duration should not be longer than the animation of the attack, right? So if we do the next attack, it wouldn't be, it wouldn't coincide with the next impact sound. So yeah, I guess that will do. So let me just have a look at those lengths. So let's open ASC Sprite. Let's have a look at the zombie sprite. So which one? Yeah, this one. Is it though? Approximate clone kit. Yeah, this one. Right. So so it has this bite attack. Wait a sec. Which one am I using? Hit and death. So I guess I'm using bite, but weird. I mean, how do I... Oh, wait a sec. There is this bite and there is this swing. Oh yeah, it has like two different types. So I probably should make that into the some kind of separate spell, maybe. Let me just write that down, just for the future. Like add bite spell to zombie. Yeah, and probably I would like to add the corresponding sounds for this bite spell, because most of those sounds are like very squishy sounds of like eating something, or I don't know. So let me just hear those sounds and maybe pick something to use. Okay, so let's start. Let's probably open, or just one by one. No, let's open all of them. And by the way, I'm using some kind of separate Emacs mode for these links, which is called go to something mode, go to address mode, I think. And I never knew about this mode before. So this mode is kind of cool because, well, if I do that, it's like just a text, and then if I switch back, so I have the clickable links. Okay, so let's just hear the sounds, shall we? Nails on a chalkboard. Yeah, that's a disgusting sound. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I've been searching by the keywords of something of scratch or the claws. So yeah, probably not exactly this sound. Wait, let me just tweak my sound slightly. So bite into flesh, probably I would want to use this sound for a bite thing, spell, or whatever. Yeah, this kinda sounds like actual bite. Yeah, made from squishing cabbage and melon. You kinda get the idea that this was done by squishing a cabbage. Actually, alright, probably I could work with that one. So not this one, and maybe not, yeah, not this one. No, I don't think so. Okay, so Terran Flash, again Terran Flash. Yeah, that one's kinda good. It's very, it has like full of bass, and yeah, and it even sounds like maybe a broken bone or something. Probably way too lot of bass, but yeah, I can work with that. Probably that would be just one of the variations. So okay, let's have a look at the cabbage again. And this one is also kind of silent, so maybe not. Yeah, again, this does not sound like a very close sound. So let's hear this one. Sinu. What's a sinu? Oh, okay. Well, probably I could use that. But yeah. Oh yeah, the zombie flash bites. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this one's good. I will use those for sure. Okay, gutsy spillage. Okay. Again, a lot of bass, but probably I could work with that. Eating juicy meat. Oh man, I would have a bite of meat right now. So yeah, again, this is more usable for the bite thing I would have later, so yeah. And I don't even have the spell mechanics yet, so well, yeah, probably I would have to make those. Well, again, it's more like the bite sound, I would say. It's not like... Yeah, probably that would be better for the biting sound. Okay, this one's interesting. I probably could work with that. Okay, so let's just get some of those and just download. So probably I could even get away with just one, like this one. Okay, so let me start by downloading this stuff. Yeah, I've already registered here, so here we go. Yeah, and I also have to check the license to be sure that it's good enough. Right, so I think all of those are Creative Commons one way or another. The attribution, common 0, attribution, common 0, okay. Yeah, probably so. If just remove some base here, so I could work with that. Okay. Yeah, right. Let's download that. MP3. Yeah, of course, it is MP3. All right, and this one. Oh, this one is WAV. Now it would open with, oh, it opened with Audacity. Yeah, okay, alright then. I don't really need this toolbar. How do I remove it? Yeah, okay. Right, so the length of this thing should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 200, so like 800 milliseconds tops. Because there would probably be other creatures with claws, and probably they would attack faster. So, well, yeah, 800. Let's say 4 or maybe 500. Where was I? 4 or 500. Yeah, okay. So I could probably cut that here. Yeah. Something like that. What if I start like here? Oh. Yeah, I probably could just remove this beginning because it has like this lot of kind of hidden sound with a lot of bass, and I don't want that. So yeah, let me just start by cutting from the end. Somewhere like here. And yeah, by the way, it's stereo again, and I would have to mix that to mono at some point, I guess. God damn it, why this panel again? Alright, here we go. Some trouble with zoom again. Alright. What if... anyway. So yeah, let's see where should we cut it. Somewhere where it is close to 0, I guess. Somewhere here, let's say. Yeah, something like that. So let's just delete this part. Alright. Yeah, and the last thing, I guess, is to probably remove some of the bass. Alright, so what do I have here? I think presets. Nope. We have some presets here. Yeah, so we start with 300 Hertz, and yeah, I guess. Right. Okay, let's do this. And then I would probably cut even more. So let's see. Right. And by the way, it's still way too long. So yeah, what if I leave just something like that? You can hear like there are probably two peaks or something, like two different distinct events, so to speak. So what if I cut here? Well, that one's too short, I guess. And here again, two events. So what if... So this one is what, 3 and 70. Okay. So just maybe start here. 300. 300 then. So we have like a sharp start, and then like this long finish. Yeah, this sounds kind of right for a, well, a claw on the flesh, I guess. Right, okay, let's leave it at that. So I will copy that. Again, this diamond panel. And yeah, just export that to OGG into the what again? So give me a sec. How should I name it then? So that one would be close dash flash 1 OGG. Yeah, okay. So yeah, let me just go to the readme and go to the readme and just paste this link to the author, because, well, not to miss some credits. So here in readme, probably somewhere, I don't know, somewhere here. Okay, so where had I this link? There's this one, right? Yeah, I think that's the one. Okay, so here's the link. Hello. So it's licensed by Creative Commons 0, but what's the author's name? Let's just probably go to his PayPal page. Yeah, one day, man, one day. Adam Livingston, licensed by what again? By, damn it, that's a lot of Windows. By Creative Commons 0, which is, I'm reckoning, a public domain, isn't it? Creative Commons 0, CC0. No rights reserved. Yeah, public domain. Okay. Right. Licensed by public domain. Oh yeah, and the name of the sound library is Flesh and Blood Gustis Pillage, or is it like the series? Oh yeah, it's the pack of sounds. Man, that's the whole pack of those. Wow, that's nice. I could have used those, but yeah, anyway. Let's just copy the full title. Gustis Pillage 1. Okay, so let's pick some another sounds for the zombie claws sound. So yeah, I guess I could use that. Done with the back of Skittles. Lol, and the Blue Yeti. What's a Blue Yeti then? Oh yeah, a microphone. Okay. Right, let's have that. Oh yeah, I've already downloaded this one. Wait a sec. Okay. Oops. Okay, so these two last events are way too long, I guess, and they have like, well, you kinda get that this is sound of a pack of Skittles, like this packet sound. So I probably should work with the short ones, like this one. Or this. Yeah. Okay, let's start with this one, or maybe this one. Yeah, probably I would just get to these two. Okay, so let's start with the, well, first one. Okay, so what do I have here? First of all, I guess it's too long, so let's see. I could cut some silence here at the start. Right, and then, yeah, probably cut something by the end. So, I don't know, somewhere like here. Right. And then probably do a fade out here. Or maybe not, why bother? So yeah, now we got, what, 374 milliseconds, which is okay, I guess. So let's export that. So that would be close, wait a sec, close flash 2. Alright, and then, I don't think I need this one, and this one. Right, so now let's work with this bit. Okay, so again, way too long, and yeah, let's cut something, shall we? Okay, so I don't really need this, I guess, and maybe even this. Yeah, okay. Right, and then again, to cut some silence at the end. So let's maybe cut. Wait a sec, what is this thing? How does this sound? Huh. So yeah, I'm trying to imagine the zombie attack with his claw at some naked human flesh. So why would it have this like ending flap at the end? And then yeah, okay, let's just leave it. I guess it would make it a bit more rich. So yeah, let's just leave it. Okay, and let's make it 400 milliseconds. Okay, oops, how do I, damn it. Plated armored flesh. Well, yeah, the idea here is that like the zombie with his long nails, which he does not cut, like he hits you like in right in your body, and then he kind of do it very deeply because, well, he's strong, and then kind of, I don't know, probably it has a bit of extra bass, so probably I could just equalize that and remove some of those. Yeah, just with this preset. Yeah, so I think this one is a bit better. Or maybe the... I mean, haven't I pushed bass like too low? What do I have here in presets? What's that? Oh no, I don't want that. Nope. So yeah. Nah, I guess it would be fine like that. Yeah, well, I'm not a real sound designer, so these are just sketch sounds. Yeah, it's cool, thanks. I'm just still working on the sound design, but I guess that's the last stream. I'm working on the, well, sound design. I guess I would work on something else, the next one. Yeah, right. Yep, I've seen that. I've seen someone tagged me, but well, I'm actually have a slight fever, so I'm not like really well. That's why I'm not writing any code, just like fiddling with those sounds. But yeah, I'm reading stuff. Be sure of that. Okay, what was that? Yeah, I even thought at one point I've had a coronavirus, and then I went and like made the analysis, and it turned out I hadn't. But yeah, it's kind of, I don't know. I was looking through the repo last stream, awesome stuff. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Okay, so this one is close flash 3 OGG. Alright then. I hope I will get back to writing a code like next weeks, or well, next streams. Okay, so we got that. What do we have to do now? Well, first of all, I would have close all of those windows I don't really need. And I guess I don't really need those. And yeah, here. So, first of all, I would have to set the weapon class here. That's weird. I don't have the body type here. I mean, sorry, armor class. So let's just open the sprite for a heroine. So probably in cloth. Yeah. So here we have armor class flesh, and in the head, what do I have here? Nothing. Well, that's obvious. And then, for instance, in dagger, we have weapon class dagger, which is obvious. Okay, so I guess I need both in the zombie. So I need both armor class, which is what? Flesh. And I need weapon class, which would be the clothes, right? I'm not sure it would play nice with the combat system, but let's see. Let's just experiment. So okay, now I guess I should add this thing into the table, the impact table. So I would need, what's the word, CastleDB. And in CastleDB, yeah, fists flash, fists flash, yeah. So I need a new line for the clothes. The weapon class is clothes, and then the armor class is flash, and then we got those three new sounds we just made. So those would be clothes, flash 1, close flash 2, and close here we go. So I guess it is auto-saved or something. Right, so let's see if that even works. Oh, I think I forgot to add this another sound library here. Let's just do that. Yeah, and I closed the browser. Awesome. What was that? Got the spillage and then something else. So let's see. What was that? Well, I can't recall now. Zombie flash bites. Yeah, I guess that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So let's copy that. So here's the link. Oops. And then that, god damn it. And then the name of the sound library, zombie flash bites. Okay, so I always try and find the real author's name, but yeah, it could be troublesome. Sounds downloaded. Private message. Mr. Pokerfield. Number of sounds 4. Right. Yeah, I was starting, by the way, with the Python too. So yeah, it was kind of smooth transition because, well, you kind of could consider Python as some kind of inferior Lisp with C syntax, or like C-ish, well, Algolish anyway. So yeah, I was kind of puzzled by reading the SICP textbook and like saying to myself, wow, like Guido, like the guy who made Python, actually took it from the Lisps. So, and like saying that for a lot of features. So, well, yeah. Right, so how do I name this guy then? Just by the nickname? I guess I would have to. Okay. Mr. Pokerfield. Licensed by. So was it public domain? Yeah, CC0, public domain. Crazy that so many languages exist when Lisp is already there. Yeah, you're right, man. I guess that's like the that's because of the more like political or like social things which happened like in 90s or 80s. So yeah. And then again, probably you could consider like Unixes or Unisys, how do you pronounce that? Like the whole separate lineage of the computer languages, like in spite of those Lisp machines that existed in 60s and like 70s, and then there was this lineage of languages and all things. So yeah, that's crazy. Okay, so I think I got that. So let's see if that even works. Let's hear how zombie hits me. Okay, hit me, guy. Yeah, I guess that works. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm kinda puzzled by the fact that it worked, because I haven't had the close weapon type anywhere in the code, but it still worked somehow. Where do I really like actually use this weapon weapon class? Equipped weapon class, combat system, item system, equipped weapon, data tables. Right, so I guess I'm only using that here in equipped weapon class. And then, okay, where do I call that? Sly who calls. In pickup item and in execute action type, a swing. Okay. And then pickup item. So equipped weapon class. So I guess I use that in pickup item to like drop the currently equipped weapon, but then in combat system. Okay, so where am I using that? Right, exactly, to like pick this sound. And that's it. Huh, okay. So it's not actually related to the damage the weapon does, it just related to the like special effects like sounds and well equipped. Yeah, well actually just to the to sounds. Okay, alright, I guess that's that. Right, so the last thing to do in this sound design thing is sound design for a skeleton monster. That's interesting. Closing the window works. Okay, right. So let's just get this monster then. Zombie. Okay, and then change it to skeleton. Skeleton. Zombie. Okay, so sprite is skeleton. And yeah, let's just leave these characteristics as they are. Okay. So am I missing something here? I guess I am. Let's open that sprite to have a look. Yeah, and by the way, I also have a skeleton knight, but I reckon it would be more or less the same as the regular skeleton. Okay, here it is, a skeleton. Yeah, right. So, yeah, I don't really have anything here. Okay, alright then. So it would have like this separate armor class, which would be bones, I guess. And for that, yeah, I would have to pick a lot of sounds here. Okay, let's just first of all try and launch that. Oh, how did that happen? Okay, I haven't recompiled the code. Silly me. Okay. Right, here we go. A nice little skeleton. So it moves silently and... Wait, that's weird. That's really weird. Well, first of all, let's just set the weapon class for that thing. And probably the armor class too, just to have it there. So armor class would be bones. Should I call it bones or bone? Kitten, flesh, bone. Let's just leave it at bone. And then weapon class, I guess it's just like the weapon, like the sword. So yeah, sword it is. Sword, kitten. Oh, and by the way, I think if I attack a zombie with a sword, it wouldn't work, or rather it wouldn't have a sound. So, well, yeah, let's just figure it as we go. So the weapon class would be sword, obviously, because, well, it holds a sword, a little sword. Bone, weapon class, sword, yeah, right, okay. So let's start with that. then. So it definitely should have a different impact sound, like on a player character. So let's see. Yeah, now it's silent. Okay, so first of all, I would have to pick a sound for an interaction between a sword and a flash. And I reckon I already had something for that. Okay, let's see. Let's see, what do we have? Alright, let's just see what we had before this sound system revamp. Dagger, loot, hit. Huh. Spider round. Zombie, crit death, zombie. Alright. That's the quick carbohydrates time. Oh man, I love this stuff. So I think I have like a lot of sounds here right now. Yeah, like almost 2 megabytes. Alright, where was I? So I think I should explore some of the sound libraries I got. Nope, not that. Right, so what I need right now is the sound of the impact of a sword over flesh. Right. Sword and flesh. So let's see. No, maybe not. Kenny, no. Impacts. Well, it have to be both metallic and both kind of, I don't know, flashy, if that's making any sense. Nope. Human. Nope. So we don't have anything interesting here in impacts, actually. Yeah. Okay. So RPG sound pack, then battle, swing, sword. Nope. Wait a sec. Nope. So let's see. Oh, this sounds slightly appropriate. But it has kind of this wooden element in that. I reckon I had some of those. Yes, I have sword over kitten. Let's hear that. Sword over kitten. Yeah, I see. Right. So probably something from those would do the trick. Nope. Nope. Oh. This would probably do for a dagger over the flesh. And I would need that too, by the way. Yes, I have dagger over kitten. And now I guess, yeah, so let's just have it. New hits off. So let's rename it. Okay, where is it now? I think I've lost it. God damn it. So kpacks. Let's see. So MNO. So yeah, here we go. So this would be actually what dagger flash, right? 1. And let's just convert that into the OGG. Oops, how do I... Weird. Yeah, that's weird. God damn it. Okay, so... No. Right, so we need to convert that. I guess I've done that before. Yeah. So instead of this, we have this VAV sound, and then, yeah. Okay, here we go. Dagger flash. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's remove that. And we got that. Yeah, let me just put that into the impact table. So dagger over flash. And right now it's just one sound. Dagger flash 1. Okay. Right. Where was I? So I don't need that. Alright, let's see what else do we get in this sound library. Wait, what's the difference between... Oh, 1. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, so now probably I would copy that into, I don't know, TMP. And yeah. So if I come back, so these so kpacks whatever to dagger flash 2. Damn it. Okay, let's just check it out. Okay, cool. Let's copy that to the resources folder. Key resources, sounds, yeah, sounds. So now we got the second one. Dagger flash 2. Okay, awesome. Let's see what else we have here. Yeah, so probably I could use that one for the like large sword. But then again, it has like this weird wooden element, like hidden something large. Okay, let's, whatever, let's use that. Yeah, and maybe that. Or that. So 6, 7, and 9. Slow squish. Okay, cool. 6, 7, and 9. 6, 7, and 9. Right? No. This one. Alright. So let's copy that again into the temporary directory. Remove those. Oh yeah, and this one too. By the way, I think they're a bit too long, aren't they? Oh yeah, and I haven't checked the length of the one I've used. And what was that? Dagger flesh, I guess. Yeah. Let's see about the length. Okay, that's the impact sound. So 430 is probably all right. And this one, yeah, again 430. Yeah, I guess that will do. Okay, yeah, so now this one is obviously way too long. I can hear that. Oh yeah, I've opened it 2 times. Yeah, let's just slightly cut it. So first of all, let's cut some silence from the end. So if I, oops. Yeah, I can safely drop some tail on the end here. Probably like to here. Yeah, alright. And then maybe something at the beginning too. Yeah, I can do that. So the whole thing is what? 560. Alright. Maybe just 60 milliseconds. Or like 50. So if I start like here, yeah, I guess it's all good. So let's have it at, I don't know, 500. But still, this thing at the end, this wooden thing is kind of weird. But anyway, let's just see how this would play out. So this one would be what? Sword, I guess. Sword flesh 1. Let's just have it here at once. So then sword flesh, and then so the sound file is sword flash 1. All right. Oh, I've closed it. Why have I done that? Right. So where was I? Hits 6. Okay. So let's have a look at this one, shall we? Right. The whole second. Wow. So let's cut this again. Okay, so I think I can safely cut it from like here and some more. All right, but still 850. Wow. Right. Probably I don't really need this stuff. Sort of. What if I made it like 100% left? Or this one? Because that's in stereo and the channels are quite different. I can't really figure out which one is where, actually. Can I split? Yeah, I can split. Okay, awesome. So let's put that at the center. So what if I make this quiet? And this one. Wait a sec. I think yeah, probably I could do that. Split into mono. What would? Right. Okay. So I guess it would be slightly easier to work with this one. They sound almost the same. So yeah, I would work with this one. Alright, so I think I can start cutting that at here, or maybe even here, right? Yeah, that is still good. Alright, but it's still 700 milliseconds, so I need less. Let's see. Let's make it, I don't know, 500, something like 520. Yeah, so let's see. Damn it. Yeah, okay, let's leave it at that. So that would be sword flash 2. Oops. Sword flash 2. Alright. And then let's have this last one hits 9. That one is actually good. Right. Something like that. Yeah, probably I would even just start here and just work my way to the end here. Something like 400, or I don't know. Yeah, that one's good. Okay, awesome. Let's export that. Sword flash 3. Alright. Sword flash 3. Okay, let's try and see, or rather hear, how that will look, or, well, sound. Okay, hello, little guy. Thing is, he has like a very fast attack animation, I guess. So what was it, 50? 50 milliseconds, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 60 is 400. Oh, and some of those are like 500. So let's maybe tweak it to be like, I don't know, 60. So 60 by 8 would be 4. 80. No, that's still too big. 75 then. 75 by 8 would be what? Okay. 75 by 8. 600. Yeah, that will do. So let's try and have it at 75 then. Yeah, that's... Oh, damn it. How it wasn't set for those frames? Should I do this manually for every frame? Awesome. That's just... Can I just... 75... 75? Oh yeah, hello. So now I got 75 milliseconds per frame. And this should be slightly better. But I think it would probably slightly break the like this small balance I had in the game, like the actual balance. So it wouldn't be too easy or too hard to beat the game. Yeah, at least that now it sounds like a bit more realistic. Let's have another try. Right, okay, where was I? Yeah, so what I want to test too is the zombie monster and like the way I attack it with the sword. And by the way, with the dagger too. So let's pick up this sword, shall we? And then hit the zombie. Well, yeah, I would need to normalize the sounds, that's for sure. I can't even hear the actual impact sounds. Yeah, I guess that will do. Okay. Alright, so let's change it back to the skeleton. Recompile that, and yeah, okay, let's work on the skeleton some more. So now we have all the impacts we need. Oh no, we don't have the bone impacts. So we would need fists, dagger and sword over the bone. Can't you smell like the combinatoric explosion? I can. Alright, where was I? So here, like previously, I had this body of death, hit, swing and walk sounds for a skeleton, and that's that. Right. So I think this one is quite canon, actually. Wow. Yeah. Right. Okay. That one would be hard. Right, so let's start with something simpler, shall we? I don't think I need that, and that one too, and this one, and this one. Alright. So let's maybe start with the swing sound, I guess. Wait, do I have separate swing for the heroine, for instance? No, I have a long sword swoosh. Oh, yeah, okay. So, I think I could cut a corner here and just use the short sword sound from the heroine here on the skeleton. Because, well, that's the same short sword. Weapon class sword? No, not that. Swing here. Not here, but probably in this frame. Yeah, okay, awesome. So let's just, have I changed that? No, I guess not. Let's just copy that to the swing animation. So this one is like, what, 200 milliseconds before the end, right? So, 200 is not divisible by 75. 3, wait a sec. So 2 by 75 would be 200. So, well, and then it would be 150. Okay, let's maybe put it here, I guess. Okay, let's see how that, or well, hear how that sounds. It's swooshes. Well, I don't know. So probably the thing is that the sounds for impact are a bit too long, and those would be what? Sword flash. Let's see. Yeah, 550. Probably I should cut it a bit. And then this one 520. Oh, wait a sec. What the heck is that? How do I make it to mono? And then just remove that. And then, yeah, just re-export that. Mono, oh. Export as OGG, sword flash to, yep. Okay. Now it's better, but still too long. So this one is good, but those two are way too long. Let's work on that a bit. So I guess I could cut something here from the start and then just, okay, let's see. God damn it. The selection, I've lost the selection. Yeah, I guess I could safely cut through here. And then something here at the end. Something like that, I guess. Maybe even have a slight fade out here. Fade out. Oh, that was easy. It does not sound like a complete thing. It kind of finishes nowhere. and without that it loses all of the like quality of being the impact sound. Yeah, right. Okay. 450 then. All right, let's leave it at that. So sort of /1, yep. Okay, and then this one, /2. Right. Well, it actually sounds more like a dagger or something, but yeah, I don't know. Right. I'm trying to find where should I cut it safely. Right. So somewhere. I wonder how the sound would look like. Huh. Right. That's interesting. Let's try that. Something like that. Sounds almost almost the same. Right, and now the length is better, but probably I could cut some more like here. Yeah. Okay. /2. All right. Let's have a here. Now it's way better. It looks like somehow realistic even. Yeah, right, but the swoosh sound is kinda out of tune, I would say. Or maybe not. Okay, let's leave it at that, shall we? So the impact now would be also different. Okay, let's just check that out for zombie. While being equipped with some short swords. Come on, pick that up. Okay, I guess. Damn it. I don't know, it kinda works, I guess. Right, let's change that back. Okay, so now we got, what do we got? We got the impact and we got the swoosh sound. Okay, that's good. I'm not using the block animation yet. Yeah, let's switch to death animation and, well, a death sound. So what had we previously for that? Skeleton body death. Yeah, something like creaking bone. I reckon that one is from here, probably. Nope. That one? Nope. Weird. Oh, this one was the part of the walking sound, that's for sure. Okay. So where have I got this thing from? Let's see, probably I have something here. Footsteps, leather, cloth, armor, swish, wing sounds. No, this was before. Zombie, punches, walking skeleton. Oh, a walking skeleton. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think I got this one somewhere here. Yeah, skeleton walking. Okay. Probably that's the one. Isn't that? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so let's copy that probably to temporary directory and convert to OGG. So if I come back, so the sound was, what was it? Multiple cracks, something. Yeah, and the sound would be, the output would be what? Skeleton death, I guess. Death 1. Okay. Maybe move skeleton death 1 to our resources directory. So skeleton death 1, and let's probably have another variation for that. Yeah, like that. Wait, do we have the critical death here? No, we don't. Okay, let's just use that one. So multiple cracks 2, damn it, would become skeleton death 2. All right. The same path again. Resources sounds. All right. Let's have that in the sprite file here. Okay. So I probably should copy that to not make some mistake. Okay. Oh, and by the way, wait a sec. It is not interruptible. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Non-interruptible D, right, and the sound. So now instead of zombie death, we got 2 different sounds. Skeleton death 1 and skeleton death 2. Alright. So let's try and kill that thing. Let's see if that works. Oops, pick up the sword. Okay. Yeah, okay. That's to be expected. Let's have another try to maybe hear the second variation. Okay, cool, awesome. So now I think we need the sound of the skeleton being hit. So what had we for that previously? Skeleton body hit. Yeah, good luck finding that. Right, let's leave that for a moment. Probably isn't that this one? Nope. No. This one was used for steps, and yeah, not this one. Okay. Oops. Nope. Back. Skeleton. No. Cloth Russell impacts. No. Battle. No. NPC. Yeah, here we go. Guttural Beast, Mist, Shade, Slime. Nope. Damn it, where have I got this sound from? Swooshes, yeah, not swooshes. Multiple cracks. Probably I could have gotten it from here. No, doesn't look like that. Yep. Definitely not this one. Probably I could just cut some new sounds for that from somewhere. Well. Okay, let's just try and see where have I got that from. So the body death was from the walking skeleton, wasn't it? Wait a sec. Yeah, walking skeleton. Skeleton walk MP3. Skeleton walk. Yeah, right. Something before that. Bonefall. No, something before that. Horror sound effects. Cracking sounds. All right. Probably that's the one. No, I've just used that. 50 RPG sound effects by Kenny. Clove Creek. Yeah, right. Door close, draw knife, drop leather, footstep, handle, coins, small leather, slice, metal, quick, metal pot. No, I can't see anything here related to that. Right, walking skeleton. So I've used walking skeleton for what? Probably for a skeleton walk and walk. So it was before that, because I've put that here in the alphabetical order. So the cracking sounds I've used for its death, and then that's actually the first one. So that probably should be something between. It's rather horror sound effects or ball phone ledge climbing, which is not the one. So probably horror sound effects. Let's see. Oh yeah, I haven't looked here, haven't I? Ambience, blood drip. Oh yeah, bone crack. Here we go. Right. Awesome. I think I could use all of those for the skeleton pain. And I think there was something in its design. It's that oh yeah, never mind. Swing, walk, I know, hit. Right, hit and then swing. Okay. Right. So let's get those files and just convert them to, like, wait a sec, to OGG. Bone crack. Oops. God damn it. My new keyboard is giving me a headache. Okay, so let's convert those. Bone crack 0 to skeleton hit 1. Wait a sec, have I put that here in the death animation? Yeah, I have. Okay, so now the hit animation. Hit 1 OGG. Okay, the same for the 0 1. What the heck? Then 0 2 and 0 3. Wait, I have missed. No, I haven't. 0 3 to 4, and then 0 2 to 3, 0 1 to 2, and that one to 1. Okay, so let's move all of those skeleton hit whatever to the resources directory. So props game dev kit resources sounds sounds. Okay. Alright, cool. So now we should put those into the sprite file. Where was it? Hit. Yeah, right. So let's again copy that from here. That's non-interruptible 2. And yeah, okay, skeleton hit non-interruptible. So non-interruptible true sound zombie hit 1. So instead of zombie we got skeleton now. Skeleton hit 1. Skeleton hit 2. And then skeleton hit 3. And then even skeleton hit 4. Alright, let's see, or well, hear how that sounds. Let's attack that. Yeah, that's fun. Well, this sound is not actually very impressive because, well, it's just short crack. Yeah, it's not very very satisfying. But, well, I guess that's the idea with those artificial skeletons. Yeah, right. Okay, cool. So that one is done. But I think we still missing something, aren't we? Sort of flesh, and then, yeah, the bone, the impact sound. Oh, wait a sec. So, right. So I don't need those sounds I just got for the hit animation. Actually, I don't really need any sound for the skeleton's hit animation because, well, it can't experience the pain. But oh yeah, but maybe I can put some like weird shrieking sounds, and I will do that in a minute. But the thing is that I should put the line here. No, wait a sec. So those sounds, well, how have I done that? Remove. Can I remove that? Okay, thank you. So those sounds I should make those the impact sounds actually. And then have some shrieking sounds for the skeleton's pain. Okay, so let me just write that down. Combat system. Okay, bites to zombie, that's for the later. So, right. Do for the skeleton. So move skeleton, hit whatever to the impact sounds and remove from hit animation, plus add some metallic component, metallic sound component for those. Well, I mean for the impacts with dagger and sword. And then find some scary shrieking. Is that, have I written that right? Shrieking, yeah. Shrieking sounds for the hit animation. Okay, that's the plan for a skeleton. So yeah, I think I finished, well, the skeleton of the sounds for the skeleton. Pardon my weird jokes. So yeah, I guess I will leave it at that for today, and I will continue later at the next stream. So thank you for watching, and if you want more, come back the next Saturday. So yeah, take care and goodbye.